So I used to keep everything in that white drawer you just saw for my vehicle wraps. I've had this tool bin for 5 years, no, like 10 years. So I decided to make everything easier, carry it with me. I decided to put everything in this. So I'm gonna have my whole kit with me whenever I'm doing an install. I glued on some multi-shield magnetic material here to the sides so that I can carry all my magnets on this plastic case. It's got my tool bag, infrared thermometers, knifeless tape, squeegees, edge seal pens, you know, extra blades, everything you might need with the exception of a torch and a heat gun. That is my 2-second improvement.